Yeah, well, I thought, first of all, just massive thanks to Temo and his effort. 80 minutes as captain, stepping up on the field for his first time here. I thought he was outstanding in the game and led our team very well. Look, we didn't get the start that we're after. It seems to like it's becoming a bit of an NFL game here with the length of time and stoppages and teams not getting us into momentum now. Not accusing, nor saying that we didn't start well. I've obviously let it try and very soon, but any time we sort of try and get some momentum, either the heat thing seems to stop, and we've just had a 2-hour 20 game of rugby. It's just very hard for everything to get going, and for our boys, we're trying to play fast. Now I get we want to protect, as we always talk about, everything in rugby seems to be protection of the athlete, and it's just really hard for everything to have maintained when you have a 10-minute break and then 20 minutes half time. But we had some good debutants. I thought we played well. I thought Manasa was really good, Isaac was good, and again I just credit to the captain. I thought he had a great shift. not 80 minutes, sorry, 240 minutes nearly one.
Yeah, just like Jacko said, they started really well, capitalized on our mistakes, played in the right areas, and they were really clinical with the opportunity that was given to them. And I think our message was the first 20 minutes, if we could work on our discipline, that could keep them out of the game. But unfortunately, as we all witnessed, that wasn't the case. And that's something that we'll continue to work on and build on.
Coach, you acted to the advantage of the second half, trying to capitalize the advantage in points. Speaking of our doesn't speak how crucial it will be to complete this territorial defense.
Yeah, well, it's sort of, I thought Willie Havili had a great game with his kicking game in the first half, so it sort of took away some advantage that we probably had. We probably kicked a little bit too much in the first half with the conditions that we had, and then obviously we knew and we'd highlighted how good their kicking game was, and they capitalised. So yeah, that's Waratahs is Waratahs. We've got them in a very quick turnaround after this heat. I know Moana also has a quick turnaround, and we talk about player safety and playing in this and then having a 6-day turnaround. But it's important now we just take what positives were in the game and realise that we didn't step up today for the fans and for the players. And like I said, we had 5 caps, and it's a shame that we didn't get a win for them.
Coach, how do you rate the impact of your bench today? Did they provide the spark that you hoping it could have happened?
Yeah, I think Kelly Cameron did a really good job. Frank brought a lot of energy, whatnot, and I think especially young Tuai was very good in the back row. And it's sort of those guys that we've talked about all week around bringing the passion. They didn't. They nearly pulled it off. We were probably one pass away from get that try, and I think we would have won the game, but we didn't. And fair play to Moana. Congratulations. Obviously they finished with 14 and they hung in there.
The try in the 59th minute, that could have could have changed things. What was the message to the playmakers at that point?
Just get us into the right areas of the field. We got forwards coming with heaps of momentum. The bench bringing a lot of energy. Like Coach said, Tuai, I thought it was exceptional off the bench. Not only him, painted up by Penaya, Samatawake, Big Joe. They all brought a huge impact. And message to the game drivers: if they can just get us in the right areas of the field, we can execute.
Sick.
Can I ask a question? Lydia from the ABC. How do you think you did against the Polynesians?
How do I think I did? I'll see. There are areas where we could take a lot more control in the field, but as of right now, I'm just gutted that we didn't get the result that we want, and we'll review on this game, and like Coach said, we'll work on the positive, and it's a 6-day turnaround. We can't dwell on this game way too much. We need to move on.
But what did you learn from this game?
I learned from this game that we need to start strong. We need to start strong. We can't be depending on a try, a penalty to wake us up. So if we can take the initiative to start strong and take control of the game, that's 100% in our control.